morning.
Now to saying,
oh, Nyamia don't know ya pa.
And the Yamia say, and now na raise concerns. Sadintina such a serious allegation. Ya level against Kumasa Santokoro na Kotoko Dekrateba and capture no baby and opea the Krataba walking can be. Then what do you know?
First of all, the way me my junimuno are so many years serious. No? I am still disappointed, say, Koto companion for are being reactive as a many series or much subain say or momfa home na afe no man who say enkofo cancer subain na or more chireno enye subain papa enti afe de omo fa ho. That is the best way I can explain it in Twi. How serious are the NT no? Say no crese ade no hawa na u taking it serious and can you be proactive to it? Enya fe ya obi aka say as ade no mo suban amode kwa ade ne ho no suban say the emfam ho no afei na obabe chere me say oh I didn't serious about it. It's for me my interest and my trust in the Kotoko hierarchy to deal with this matter is off.
Ebo game is Sunday. The whole of Enra. One can was a man no pen.
The omo nyina is to play to the gallery to me. I said yet multimedia Rich say obi ko make allegation to war Rich so say as the host of Power Sports what could share club administrator be ajiska say obeye campaign and when your friendly player or blasters na oye video be to TikTok social media. Do you think it will take other people to tell multimedia to come and release a statement on you? So what are they talking about? Look, your seriousness towards BB is not shown on paper. It is shown in your behavior. So what can say? I asked a house of folk letter say they are committed to settling reneging issue. No, and no be a Kotoko for no. Any book of people so assembly it must be seen with your actions. Ya ruler mobida that's how the Nipakroka. What's no one another transfer ban? What are so the Nipakro air back and forth and Nipakro in the court to reinforce a decision? Ya what the mano. And you are still bringing out a paper statement say you are committed to settling Sadiano. And you be the Kotoko for Nayano. Obiach, who are uncle for Babonting, as a bribe suitimu. Wameka Hoshe. Yakobo Borne, Sunday, Wameka Hoshe. Monday, Abba, who the statement about Bonting closing the season, Wanka Hoshe. Now, if you want to send some job for Kasa, the real money did like in Buffalo, your silence is too loud. After you are reacting and saying so, after the what are you doing? What kind of leadership is that? And I got a division 3 team beer, a Mikromana. Is it a small brand beer? Is that how you treat a brand like Kotoko? And for me, they may have lost faith in it. Whether a prejudice, you can have your conclusion on main stance. You know, say I am not being fair and family. But the way Empire have handled this issue, I have lost hope in how they've handled assembly, and nothing will revive it. Open for some baby in Sonka. A statement you about one thing, nothing will follow. Yeah. Now the Subano Madame didn't any evidence now already.
Pass as a woman could that simple Kotoko for
Kotoko for now who can was some. And the statement never because a certain journalist enforce your move statement in bra. And haven't they shown you enough their attitude towards this matter?
Club KCSA. So bisu wa mau o players can say game now
Rich
for 3 points in a man.
Rich,
then what no man kasa asam
make
sweeping under the carpet.
Asam na make untie the make na. The same people now can. At the end of the with what they've already done. Video about on Saturday, nothing. Yeah, but born Sunday, nothing. You real season on Monday with a statement, nothing. Also, haven't they already shown you who they are on this matter? Who expectations left forever? So my idea, who expectations so maybe I don't know my. So we have management of a big club, a big brand, Mr. Kotoko, and you are being reactive on Bible allegations into your team. And then maybe I would be convinced me.
Let me draw almost statement normally about so.
A statement.
So what cut some say?
A statement
by a thorough investigation into the matter.
A statement that you instigated. And you more. A statement you instigated them to blink.
Me say a kind of my whatever no. So what you cut another now say. You do a thorough investigations into the matter. Now be a mobile fan no culpable no. Much na so na so twin bi o mo dia mano and then the we are waiting for it. Me because almost and the edrum maybe a mama no ya adwene say. So utie chairman you can say Alex narration na all mana. And na ye call ye and na Patrick Esie do tika anim and o man $1,000 and ya chief referee bi and to say and some seriously I don't get it. Serious.
I usually say something. One of the things I always take from him. See, the job of a journalist is different from a job of a PR practitioner. The statement out there can easily be interpreted as a PR outlet that Kotoko has put out.
So, you could defend it.
And to know any journalistic way, but if you look at the words in there, and it's similar to again the example from Hearts of Folk. Yeah. Hearts of Folk say we are committed to.
And what did you discuss?
Debbie to was.
As a down because no say catch on mama say. Obey na make
no Nina
together them ko fabra so catch on mama say make up.
So that is what I'm saying. Nina ye PR. So obey no mama nim say scan da ho. But onye nya just what the be ma wo. Tika chense make up fufu ni wi. Nti wo ko giskaro. Otu pa atwen na make up fufu ni wi. You understand? Nti has if one say we are committed to. Kotoko so say we will do all the thorough investigation at the same, at different words, but the same meaning of the phrase. I don't say even commitment. So until they can do the investigation, if Allah says that he doesn't trust that they will, you can't fault him. Understand? And I don't season
Black Star Squad. Black Star Squad now.